Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can monetize your YouTube channel. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is click on your profile icon on the top right, then go into YouTube Studio. Once you're on here, you should see the Earn option on the bottom left, so you just want to click on that. This will just give you various options in ways in which you can make money on YouTube. So the first one is memberships. So you can give them certain perks if they pay for monthly memberships on there, on your channel. You also have supers, so they can obviously make donations on your videos or channel. And you also have shopping as well, so you can connect a store to promote your products like merchandise on your channel. In order to get these perks as well, you'll need at least 500 subscribers and need to have posted at least 3 videos in the last 90 days. And then you'll need at least one of the following. So you'll need 3,000 public watch hours on normal videos, or you'll need at least 3 million short views. So once you've hit them targets, you'll get these 3 perks that you can apply for on here. Then there's another milestone that you can get to, in which you can get paid for YouTube ads. So in order to get these, you'll need at least 1,000 subscribers, and then one of the following: 4,000 public watch hours, or at least 10 million shorts views. So once you've done that, you can apply for it up here as well. So you'll need to click on monetization policies as well, and just make sure you're sticking to whatever criteria they need for your videos to be accepted, as they will look through your channel and make sure it's appropriate for monetization. So that's how you can monetize your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.